Hey everybody, welcome back to Liberty Collab Ops. Today we're going to do a unboxing of the Room Kit Mini. So right now I've got the Cisco Room Kit Mini. Just came in, nice lightweight box. Let's see what we got here. Open this up. Now, it's an empty box, doesn't do anything. First box we're opening up. Let's see what this is. We get a touch 10 device. We've all seen that before. It comes in with other room kits as well too. So that's that. Let's take this out and show this. That. Don't worry about these boxes later. Down here. Next, it comes with three boxes inside one big box. First one is the Touch 10. Second one, all the cables that we need. Right. We'll leave that.
What kind of cables we got, Tony?
Yeah, in here we have an Ethernet cable and the power cable. Those are two cables that came in. Power, Ethernet. I actually like these Ethernets. These are like the flat ones. Very nice. You don't have to worry about trying to bend it or it crinks. Now, big guy, big box. What the piece we've all been waiting for. Always have a handy dandy key with you around. Open up the box. My Cisco label right there. Dun, dun, dun. We have more cables, of course. Your HDMI cable, another Ethernet, long one, Ethernet cable. So this Ethernet cable is going for the Touch 10 power. Then look at this. This is a thing of beauty. Look how small this guy is compared to
That's what she said.
Compared to the Room Kit. And the Room Kit Pro and the Plus. See? Who says size matters? Look at that guy. Look at that. Nice camera, the speakers. Underneath have all your inputs.
Let's do it. Let's do a zoom in.
See the inputs there? Get your Ethernets right there. Your HDMI's in and outs. USB, power of course. Look at that. How light. It's pretty. It's got some weight to it, but it's not that bad. I do like the camera. Looks like basically you take like your regular sound bar and squish it. Look at this. Look at that. Fit any size TV. What else do we have? Rest in the box here. Mounting bracket.
So the last time we saw that, it was a prototype, and it was actually using some Cisco labeled duct tape.
Oh, look at that!
We saw at Partner Summit. So
look at that. Yeah, that's right. We saw at Partner Summit.
So how does that work? I bet everybody's going to be wondering how do you mount it?
How am I going to mount this guy? That's what I know wondering. On the normal room kits, you have like the little clips that come down.
This guy
flips. He flips down. And then you would actually have to.
How many masters does it take to assemble a room kit mini?
This would actually have to go. Looks like it goes right inside there.
Cool. All right.
And the only thing left in the box is power brick.
So I think there's one more surprise Cisco left in there, unless they made it an optional
item.
Let's
see. Oh, the Allen key.
The Allen key. No. I took the time to read the instructions. So
let's see what else we got in here.
Maybe a step ahead, and it may be an optional feature, but
let's see.
Let's see if we find anything else, any other goodies hiding in there.
No, I've got power brick.
Small and made of rubber. Nope.
No.
Okay, so let's go to our handy dandy instruction guide here. And there's several different ways to mount it to a screen, which are optional.
This is
Yeah, so what I thought was interesting,
on that.
was this go right back here. They have this handy dandy privacy cover
Privacy cover.
that is magnetic.
Wow. Hold
Which I
on, let me
have
see if
no
I can
idea.
find that. It's in this.
So that must be a Cisco optional item. Also not
It's
pictured.
probably a line item.
That would be a line item.
Probably a SKU for it too.
Also
That would be
not
nice.
pictured is the new USB-C tri-head adapter or cable.
Which actually goes right here.
Yep, which goes right there. That actually has, I think, HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, of course. And so, yeah, that's it. This is a
Look at
Rootkit
that.
Mini.
Very nice. I don't like that though.
Feels good. You could just travel with that, right?
I could. Yeah, it almost looks like the guy left from Short Circuit.
You could. You could like mount it over your head. So, yeah. Next up, we will have a video of the out-of-box experience, powering it up, and
Right. Yeah. Our next video in our next series that we're going to do is that we're actually going to mount this up, attach it to TV, and see how it works. All right. Peace, guys. See you later.